Welcome to Frankie Lovato's 365 Days of Racing Terminology. This series is for you, the fans, and in support of Jockey World's mission to improve, promote, and provide more education, health, and safety into the world of horse racing.
This is Frankie Lovato with today's term, number 294 of 365, sound. In horse racing and other equestrian disciplines, the term sound or soundness is describing a horse's all-around good health and well-being. When a horse stands and moves soundly, they are showing no signs of lameness or favoring other limbs. In horse racing, referring to horses being sound is more often used to describe how well a horse moves in all gaits, such as a walk, trot, gallop, and run. If a horse was to move poorly and seem to have some lameness, it would be called unsound. So if you hear someone say that a horse is sound around the racetrack, it basically means the horse is healthy and shows no physical problems.
For more information, or if you would like to sponsor some of our terminology clips, please email info@jockeyworld.org. You may also be interested in Frankie Lovato's Racing Terminology booklet, which is for sale in the Jockey World store and available at jockeyworld.org. All proceeds go to Jockey World, a 501c3 nonprofit organization.